So, because of the new movie coming out and this Joker looks a bit creepier than usual, I'm going to be doing the makeup from the 2019 film. I don't know if that's focusing. And I'm going to just cover my face with this white concealer. So I'm just going to cover my face with this white concealer. So I just realized that I'm going to probably have to glue down my eyebrows for this look because his eyebrows are a bit higher and a lot smaller than mine. I might just glue down the tails though because I think that'll work. But with that said, I'll be right back. I found a glue stick. Oh yeah, and if you do this, make sure it is washable. Washable glue stick. You do not want to lose your eyebrows, trust me. So I put glue on my eyebrows, they're finally dry. I am now going to take a small brush like this and going to put some setting powder on the eyes just so that any stickiness is gone. So now I'm going to take my white concealer again and start putting it all over my face and then going to blend it out. So now I'm going to start on the eyebrows, which are like a reddish orange, they match his suit. So I'm going to find a color that suits it. Take this Jeffree Star brush, it's the one with the, I'm going to take the shade Licorice and suck of the palette and start doing my eyes with them. They're going to be relatively round and uneven. Just probably right here where my actual eyebrows are. I'm going into the Equality Mini Lipsticks pack, and I'm going to be taking the shade Red Rum and putting it on my eyebrows so that they're more defined and visible. Okay, so I fixed my eyebrows and I finished them up. So now we are going to move to the eyeshadow around the eyes. So I'm actually going to go into the shade Cremated first. That's going to be nearest to the eye. And then I'm probably going to transition over to the shade, to a mix of the shade Sour and Delicious in the Jawbreaker Palette. I'm now going to do a bit of contour. I'm going to take shadow called Tasty. I'm going to take the shade Tasty and I'm going to contour my face with it. At least attempt to. I'm going to mix it with a bit of Sour. I'm done contouring. I'm going to look to see what the next part is, and that is probably the mouth. It's a bit more rounded upward than the other part, which is more straight across. So I'm going to go in with this liquid lip one more time, red rum, and I'm going to, oh my god, my hair's crazy. And I'm going to draw in the mouth. This looks I'm going to then take the Blood Sugar palette. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to dip into the shade Coma and Fresh Meat and start filling in the mouth with it and blend a bit out as well. So it looks like his eyelashes are white, so I'm going to take the spoolie and the Morphe concealer, just run a bit through the spoolie and then put it on my eyelashes. Now for the nose, I'm going to be using red rum once again. I'm going to be using it to pretty much outline the whole bottom of my nose. Now I'm going back into the Blood Sugar palette once again, and I'm going to be going into the shades Fresh Meat and Coma once again. I'm going to be shading in the nose. Can't do it right. This is what my face currently looks like at the moment. It's not completed yet because I still have to do some shading, some, and some contouring to finish up the look completely. I'm going to be going back in to Jawbreaker Palette and into the shades Tasty and Sour. I'm going to be contouring around my forehead and chin area. So now that it is a bit more contour on the face, I'm going to be contouring the sides of my neck and also going to be dragging the shade Delicious in like patchy form, like with my fingers down my neck as well and down the mouth. So my camera died. That was an issue. So I had to recharge it, but now I'm back. I only recharged it for a little bit, so I don't know how long this is gonna last. So I'm gonna try to hurry up. Yeah, the battery's still really low. Anyway, I'm going to cheat a bit because Jeffree doesn't have any blacks and I kind of really need black right now. But right now I'm going to add some black to the center of my lips, to the center of my nose, and to the closest part of my eyeball. And then I'm going to redo the white mascara that I did recently because I know there's going to be some fallout onto my eyelashes. You guys so much for watching this video. I hope you really liked it. It took forever for me to restart my channel because it wasn't doing so hot. Probably still won't be. And so I was also gone during the summer, so I couldn't do anything, and I haven't really felt much inspo, and I was setting up this new studio room with lights and everything. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!